Hi guys, I am doing like a tutorial thing as well. So right now I'm just practicing doing the the eyebrows. I just done my eyebrows, even though they look bad, but they look better than they did yesterday. And I've drawn them on with this like thing that I had drawn them on with. So I used this, and where's the little clip thing? I used that as well. And I used this stuff as well for like the kit thing that you can use. But it's lost in my bag, so I can't really show you. So I'm just gonna put her on mute because she's annoying. So yeah, I'm doing this so then I feel better. And when you get up in the morning, you feel like you really need something to cheer you up, and this sort of stuff cheers me up. So yeah, I've got my brushes here, and I got my this one as well. I can't remember what I called it, a blush one. So the one that I use for my foundation is this one. It's like the foundation brush. So I'm just like kind of watching a tutorial and then doing my own tutorial, if you get what I mean. So yeah. So hopefully like I can combine it into my own look. So I'm actually gonna take off my headphones. Whoa. Take off the headphones. So that's that, and the one I'm using is a Glowton. It's like this glowy sort of one. So what I'm gonna do is put some on my hand, not a lot, just so then I have some for my neck. My tips on makeup is to do it on my neck as well. So that's what I'll be doing. So yeah. So just dab it like that, not too much. Then dab it here, do a bit here, and do a bit there, and do there. And then I've got this like setting spray now, so that's nice and cool on my head. It's perfect. It gets rid of my birthmark that I have on my head. It's hard to see by camera, but I can tell it's there. But this stuff makes yourself your skin glow. And so yeah, I really like it as well. So it's like a tutorial thing, so just do that and do the neck. So then it matches your neck and everything. I always do behind my ears as well, so then it's all good and covered up. And then yeah, so what I'll do is cover up some bits on my hand, because I've got like a little boo-boo on my hand, and if I see it, it means I'm gonna be annoyed by it. So hopefully if I do that on my hand, it will go away. So yeah. And if you got like other scars from your arms and stuff like that, so yeah, could use that. but where's the box that I was using to actually, oh, this is the box that I was using, but I don't need it now, so I'm just gonna, not that, this is where I'm gonna, like, get all that excess stuff off it. I need a towel for it, but there is a way to do it in like water, like hot water or something, hot-ish form of water. But I find this way, even though it really messes up your brush, but it still does the work. So what I'm gonna do now is, when you do your eyebrows, you can use a little bit of concealer. So I won't do it, I just done my eyebrows anyway, so you can just do a little bit under your eyebrows like that, and then do the same, and then you can do this thing where it's like squared eyebrows. So yeah, I'll actually I need to do my underline my eyes. So yeah, I'm quite new to doing makeup, and I'm not that good at it, but I am learning. So which one was that I used? So that's for both of them. Okay, so I just use this. So you dab it. So this is like a get ready with me, but I'm going to be editing it on my TikTok. So even though I'm literally bad at this, but still, I've done that one. So the next one, where's it gone? I swear I had it on bed. What is that? I need my, there we go, found it. Where's the other mini brush that I was gonna use for it? Here it is. Sorry, I thought I lost it then. It's all good. So this side is gonna be for this one. It's this one here. I can't properly read it. So Style Matted, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. I'm bad at pronouncing. So just get enough on there so it sprays a little bit dust. So then you just do that. And then do a little bit of that. And then do that. Put that one back on, put that in the bag. So we use that side for that thingy, so we'll use this one for the bronzer. I need to get a bronzer one, but I really don't know where I put my other one. I had a lot of brushes, I can't remember where I put them, but once I remembered, I'll use them. So yeah. So what I've done is you put a bit of it on top of this, and then that way you don't feel like too much of a too much exposed up there. But anyway, I normally just do like this. and then do the side of here. So what I did yesterday of that's the glow one I just used. So what I do now with my blush, I put a bit of my nose and then just make it like that. Because I've seen this proper really cool way of doing it on The Sims 4, where they have like a nose and a bit more up here and a bit more up there. It looks really nice. Trust the process. So just dab it on there. And that's most of it. So yeah, makeup bit done. So I used this to do some bits of the tweezing on my eyebrows, but mostly what I did is draw them on, and I will do a separate video showing you guys how to do that. And I'm gonna put this over here. And then I'm going to put on my set spray. What I do to check it's working is spray like that. Works. And I just want to check it. I always check it before I do anything. So the way you do it is to close your eyes, scrunch your face up sort of thing, kind of, and squirt. Like that. It smells nice. This one is strawberry. It's well nice. And you can see the difference. I am glowing. I didn't know you could glow like that until now. So let me know in the comments, what do you think of my new makeup style? And I'll do some more makeup tips and everything. So yeah, I quite like it as well. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any tips for me, or if you want me to give you some tips. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys! Peace out and carry on content.